Hey, I found this great little alarm clock and I want to show you the favorite features of it. It is designed for deep sleepers, so it is loud so that you can make sure that you wake up on time. So I have a daughter who is having trouble getting up on time and she's wanting a nice alarm clock, so this will be perfect for her. It is corded. It comes with a charging port and a cord, as well as it can run on batteries. So you're welcome to use batteries instead, and perfect. All right, so I've set my alarm. Great little standard alarm clock. Thank you to the company for sending this to me.